Alright, so hi everyone. So I'll be talking to you about Microsoft Office 365, and the career I chose to talk about is marketing director because this is what I want to do in the future. So here is my table of contents. So first I'll talk about the introduction, next what is a marketing director, followed by Microsoft Office Word and Microsoft Office Excel, and followed by how I use it in the workplace and how I'm going to use it later on. And lastly, I'll be showing you the works I did. So first, the introduction. So technology is everywhere, and it has been since the 1980s. But the thing is that it has evolved. So it's been everywhere. It can be in our hands, it can be in our bodies, and even though this is pretty far-fetched, I really think that it is everywhere. So in the workplace, to be a marketing director, I chose to become this because at first I did an orientation test, and then it told me, yeah, you can go in the business world, so that's what I chose to do. And marketing is something that I really like since it's mainly society oriented, and it's basically what you do with products and what the outcome is. So, how it is useful in the business world, Word and Excel is what I'll be mainly talking about. So, what is a marketing director? Based on Webopedia, a marketing director is responsible for providing direction, guidance, and leadership to a marketing department. They typically manage marketing of a business, organization, particular product, or a group of products. So, in my here in my website, I really showed my introduction, what a marketing director is, and now I'll be talking about Microsoft Office Word. So, uh, from simple Wikipedia, Microsoft Office Word is a graphical word processing program that users can type with and save documents. It's mainly used to organize your text, starting with the correction of spelling and grammar, along with the insertion of pictures to create a better visual. It is also a great tool to make brochures and pamphlets. So, in the first module that I chose module 4. So this is how to create a list, table, and watermark. So Microsoft Word provides you with a list and a table that can be really useful in the business world. For example, me as a marketing director, I'll need it to either promote an idea along with giving clear directives to my team. I also need a plan that I will need to follow with a checklist. So this will keep the business running and it will keep it on the right track. So it can be a really promotional visual that can also be created from bullet points, and it can also be used with watermarks to become even clearer. So right here, we can see that it is an example of a promotional visual. So yeah. Next, I have the mail merge. So through Module 6 of the Microsoft Office 365 book, from the Word section, we can see that it's another useful tool since it can gather a lot of contacts, it can gather a lot of people to send letters to. So it can personalize your letters, whether it's Mr. John and Miss, I don't know, Miss Labrie. So it's going to be the same form letter, but the names will change, the address will change, and Mail Merge can help you to make it less time consuming and energy consuming. So it's able to generate mailings of personal letters uh, from a form letter. It can also set a directory of contacts as well as preparing mailing labels for the recipients. So in the environment that I can use it, it's it's useful to promote ideas, and it can also be useful to use mail merge as well and the mailing labels for the different recipients, and I don't need to take a lot of time just to do it. So next I have Microsoft Excel. So I chose module 4 for the financial functions, the data tables, the amortization schedules. So here we can see that the Microsoft Office Excel from Wikipedia is defined as a spreadsheet program included in the Microsoft Office suite of applications. Spreadsheets present tables of values arranged in rows and columns that can be manipulated mathematically using both basic and complex arithmetic operations and functions. So this is the definition that Wikipedia gave. And for the module 4, financial functions and data tables, um, being a marketing director also involves analyzing certain results, and analyzing certain results from the revenues and products um, is also part of the job. In order to better organize my numbers, Excel provides me with formulas, whether it's the VLOOKUP, whether it's the D count, whether it's the D average. It's really useful to use those formulas to be better organized using the numbers and different quantities and prices and different totals. So everything changes and you can coordinate every single one of them. So it's a better understanding of the impact that your products have on society, and you can produce your own formula that will calculate everything for you instead of you calculating it for yourself. So yeah, why I use it in the workplace. So I set it, review results from previous years compared to this year, and also review how my products are doing. So then afterwards I can do changes or whatever depending on what the numbers bring back. So here's my works cited, and before I finish, I just want to conclude that in a nutshell, um, my video was really focused on Word, Excel, which are excellent tools that can be used in the business industry. It's also a better idea of what your business is looking like. So it's really not time-consuming apps and can save you a lot of calculations. So yeah, thanks a lot.